Cooking Junior here with a brand new video. I know about the egg videos, they coming, believe me. But you know what I'm saying, been busy with work schedule, but we got a brand new video for to do today. We're gonna do some real special, some Frito Crunch Supreme. This is gonna be a very good recipe. And then I wanna give a shout out for my homeboy Martin for hooking me up with this recipe. And then I wanna give a shout out to my #1 fan. They call him OG, his name is Kenneth, and I wanna introduce you to him right now. Oh man, I'm so glad to be on this show. Man, I'm so glad. I told him I was gonna cook with Cooking General. You the man, you the man, you the man. Yeah. All right. Thank you, man. Thank you for coming to the show. Okay, but anyway, we're gonna do that Frito Crunch. We're gonna use these some new hot Fritos. They got the jalapenos, so we don't need no jalapenos. They got them in there. These is a good chip. You ain't never tried them? Try them. And then we're gonna have some green onions, salsa. Then we're gonna have some diced tomatoes. We also gonna have some rotel. We're gonna also use this here, refried beans. You know you're gonna use ground meat. Then we're gonna have some sharp cheddar cheese. You can use mild or whatever you want to use, but we're gonna use that. 2 packs, because it's gonna cost for a pack for every pack of ground meat, pound of ground meat. So anyway, we need 2 packs of taco seasoning, sour cream, and we're gonna have our rice. And you know I always use this here kind of rice. It don't stick. So get ready for the Cooking General. Oh man, Frito Supreme Crunch coming right now. Let's go. All right, the Cooking General ready. We got our ground meat browning. I got my rice already done right here. We're gonna add our rotel. Add your rotel to your ground meat and get all of it out of there. Then we're gonna also add a can of refried beans. And you know the refried beans, when you eat them, oh yeah, it's kind of like stop you up. And we're gonna add that to it. We're gonna get this up melted down in it. Oh, and you also got to add your 2 packs of taco seasoning. You gotta add 2 pounds of ground meat, 2 packs of taco seasoning. And rip them, we're gonna open, rip them. There you go. Don't let nothing hold you back. Put that stuff together. There we go. Get it out of there. Get all of it. Don't leave one crumb, a microscopic crumb in it. Now, let's get this stuff together. Let's mix it up and get ready for the Cooking General Frito Crunch Supreme. Frito Supreme Crunch. Who knows what I said? Deal with it. Okay, welcome back to Cooking General. We got to sit down now. Let's get this silk crunch going. All right, first of all you want to do, you want to take your dish and you want to put you some of this rice down. Now look at that rice, look at that. See there? That rice ain't sticking. You want to put that in there like that. Spread it around your bowl because we're going to have to bake this. And we're going to bake it on 350. But you want to get you a good, nice bed of rice down first. That's a good bed of rice down. Matter of fact, now, let's go ahead and put some rice down on that. There we go. Now, that's a good bed of rice. Now, you want to take your meat with your refried beans and you want to put that on top of your rice. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man, look at that. Look at that. Let's put it on there. It's going to be good. Look at that. Spread it over there. Use it. Use it. If you got it, use it. If you don't use it, you're going to lose it. Let's put it on there. Look at that. Whoo, man, there we go. Now let's put a little more. Let's put a little more. I ain't finna let nothing go to waste. Look at that. Now I'm gonna tell you what you want to do. Now you got that put down. Okay. You want to take you some Fritos. And like I told you, jalapeno. I don't gotta add no pepper. Put you some Fritos on there. On top of that. Put you some Fritos on top of that. There you go. Eat them. Don't put them back on there, whatever. Now look at that. Oh man. Now you want to do? Put some cheese on there. Look at that. Look at that. Put you some cheddar cheese on top of that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here, let's go. Let's get crazy with this here. Let's put it on there. Let's go ahead and pile this boy up. Oh man, look at that. That's a monster. That's a monster. Now, stick it in the oven for 350. And we're finna come back, I'm gonna show you a Frito Crunch Supreme. Or a Frito Cream Supreme. Oh. Let's do this. Forget it. Look at General finish. Man, look at this here, y'all. Look. Look at cheddar cheese in there. You just take you some green onions, you sprinkle it on it like that there. Man, you cannot tell me this don't look good. Look at that. Sprinkle you some green onions on there. And then you take you some sour cream, you know what I'm saying? And you just take your sour cream and you kind of like run it over like that there. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, and you look, let me show you something. Look at here. Look at that. The rice. Look, Frito, look at that cheese. Oh man, look at that. It's just straight, look at that. That, I'm tired of this here stuff, man. It's changing me. This food is changing me.
Cooking General, you better ask somebody.